Welcome to Spring LIB.
In this question, here first I will draw a figure to explain the data given. So consider that this is a wooden block having mass in the question given, that is capital M is equal to 500 gram, and this block is considered that hang by a rope with the any support from upper side. So now in the question it is saying that there is a bullet given. So consider that this is a bullet whose mass is, that is in the question given, M is equal to 20 gram. So further it is saying that this bullet is going with the speed given, that is speed, that is u is equal to 300 meter per second in this direction, in the horizontal direction, and collide with the wooden block. And after collision, what happening is, that is the center of wooden block is raises by through height of, that is h is equal to height of given, that is 20 centimeter. That means if I consider that this is a center, then it will be raises by, that is h height, that is 20 centimeter. And new condition will be like this: assume that the block is raised by vertical displacement that is given in the question, that is 20 centimeter. And one thing also hampered, that after collision the bullet is emerged out with the speed, that is consider that you can see in the figure the bullet is emerging out with speed. Consider that v is speed, that is final velocity, or I can say that will be assumed that is v. So now you can see that after collision what happened is, first is, that is wooden block is raises by vertical displacement, that is in the question given 20 centimeter. And second is, this bullet is emerge out from other side with the velocity which I assume that is v. So in the question it is asking that we have to find the velocity v. That means find the speed of bullet as it emerges from the wooden block. So this is a question. Here I had explained the all data by making a diagram. So now my next step is answering this question. So let's start answer the given question. So in the answer I can say that the mass of bullet will be written as, that is small m is equal to 20 gram. That means in kg it will be written as, that is 0.02 kg. And horizontal speed of bullet is given, that is initial speed is given, that is u is equal to 300 meter per second. Then after it the mass of wooden block is given, that is capital M is equal to 500 gram, or I can say that in the kg it will be written as, that is 0.5 kg. And I already considered that is the bullet is emerged out with assumed at velocity, that is v. So v velocity. So now next step is, and also consider that the velocity of block will be after after collision of bullet with the wooden block. I can say that this bullet is going with v velocity, and this wooden block is going with v dash velocity. So here I assuming that the velocity of wooden block will be v dash. Now next step is apply a law of conservation of momentum. So result will be written as that is initial momentum is equal to final momentum. So I can say that we will get mu is equal to capital M multiplied by v dash plus small m multiplied by v. So now next step is, I can say that this is a equation number 1. Now next step is apply a work energy principle for the block after the collision. So I can say that here I am applying a law of conservation of energy for the block. So it will be written as, for wooden block, then left side will be written as, that is change in kinetic energy will be equal to potential energy. So it will be written as, that is initially the kinetic energy is 0, because you can see that the wooden block is initial at rest condition. So I can say that initial kinetic energy is 0 minus final kinetic energy is, that is half m v dash square is equal to, now I can say that it will be written as, that is change in change in kinetic energy will be, that is equal to minus potential energy. So that means minus m g and h will be, that is vertical displacement, which I already written in the figure, that is h is equal to 20 centimeter. So now next step is substitute the data. So it will be written as, that is here minus to minus, negative sign, both sides will be cancelled out. So I can say that it will be written as, that is half m v dash square is equal to mgh, or I can say that after dividing by m to both sides, it will be written as, that is result will be half v dash square is equal to gh. So simplify it, then v dash will be, that is square root of 2gh, that means square root of 2 multiplied by g will be, that is 10 multiplied by h will be, that is 20 centimeter, or I can say that meter, in the meter it will be written as, that is 0.2 meter. So here I had put the value of g, that is 10 meter per second square, and h, that is 0.2 meter. So after solving I will get the v dash, that is equal to 2 meter per second. So this is the velocity of wooden block after the collision. So now next step is substitute this value of v dash in equation number 1, that is in this equation. So it will be written as, I can say that put value of v dash, that is equal to 2 meter per second in equation number 1. So it will be written as, it is 0, equation number 1 is, that is mu is equal to capital M V dash plus small m multiplied by V. So here I am writing again this equation number 1. So that is mu is equal to capital M V dash plus small m multiplied by V. So now substitute the data. So I can say that mu will be written as, that is 0.02 multiplied by u will be, that is 300, is equal to capital M multiplied by V dash will be 0.5 multiplied by 2 plus m will be, that is small m will be, that is 0.2 multiplied by V. So now simplify it, then I will get the value of V after solving, V, that will be equal to 250 meter per second. So this is the answer of given question. That means I can say that the speed of bullet as it emerges out from the wooden block is equal to, that is V is equal to 250 meter per second. So I had solved the given question completely. Thank you.